What's the meaning of content? Content. Content.
Content. Content. The term content can refer to various forms of information or material that are presented or communicated through various media channels, such as text, images, videos, and audio recordings. It is the substance or subject matter of a piece of communication or expression, including the ideas, opinions, facts, experiences, emotions, or perspectives conveyed. In essence, content is what fills the pages of books, newspapers, websites, blogs, social media, and other communication platforms. It is a vital element in modern marketing and communication strategies, serving to engage, educate, motivate, or entertain audiences.